Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media, and today we are here at the Huawei booth at Mobile World Congress 2013, and we have the Huawei Ascend P2, which has been launched yesterday from Huawei. This is another smartphone running Android, which has been launched from Huawei. It is going to come in India very soon. If we talk about the specifications of this device, the Huawei Ascend P2 has 4.7-inch high definition display, which is a 720 into 1280 display. And if we talk about the glass of the display glass is Corning Gorilla Glass 2, which is quite good, so it will not tend to have any kind of scratches very easily. If we talk about the processor, this one has got a 1.5 GHz quad-core processor, which is a high silicon K3 V2 processor as the model number is concerned. If we talk about the 4G support on this device does support 4G as well, up to 150 Mbps. If we talk about the back camera is 13 megapixel camera, HDR video support as well as for the photos, and it does have an LED flash over here, and this is a 13 megapixel camera which can record high definition videos at 1080p, as well as it can play high definition videos at 1080p as well as at 720p. If we talk about the RAM, this device has got 1 GB of RAM, and let me just show you how much of that is actually available to the users. So under apps, if we take a look over the running applications, so these are the running applications, and out of 1 GB of RAM, around 482 MB is actually used right now, and 235 MB is free as of now. If we talk about the storage options, this device comes with 16 GB of inbuilt storage, and let me just show how much of that is actually available to the user. So you have 11.83 GB total available storage, out of which around 10.40 GB is actually available to the user as of now, which is quite good. It comes with Jelly Bean 4.1. Let me just show you the version number. So here we have the version number, that is 4.1.2, at such a form factor, at such a light weight phone. Basically it has 2420 milliampere hour battery. And if we talk about the NFC support, this device does have the NFC support as well. Weight of this device, this is only 122 gram, which is fairly light. So as in the specifications, this device is fairly good. In terms of the form factor, it has got a matte finish back cover at the back, which is quite good, and it makes the device quite easy to hold in hand. As far as the weight is concerned, because this is very lightweight device, so it becomes much more portable for you to carry. It will easily slip into your jeans pocket very easily because of the round edges. There is no problem with the design of the device. If I talk about the sports, you have a front camera. The front camera is 1.3 megapixel camera over here. Then you have the earpiece over here. You have an LED indicator as well. You have the micro USB port over here for charging. Here you have the 3.5mm audio jack for the headphones, and here you have a mic for this is for noise cancellation. You have a primary mic over here, and here you have the physical home button, the soft button basically on the screen, which are not fairly visible unless you see them very closely, unless you move the phone very closely to your eyes. Then you have a volume rocker on the left side on top, and on this side you have the power and sleep key, and here you have the micro SD memory card slot, and you can actually expand the storage of this device with a micro SD memory card slot up to 32 GB, which will be supported on the device. Here you have a dedicated camera shutter key, which is quite good because you can actually take a photo using the camera. If I show you the camera interface, this is how the camera interface, which is quite sleek and simple. And if I show you the picture quality, let me just take some photos. Let me just take a macro shot. Let me just take another shot. If we talk about the clarity of the photos, this is one macro shot which I've just taken right now, and it looks pretty good. The object is captured pretty much in detail, as you can see. It is quite good. And here you have another photo. So as far as the camera is concerned, this device is quite good in terms of the overall camera quality of the picture which you will capture, and it does record high definition videos as well. The display is actually a high definition display which is crisp and clear, and there is no pixelation of any kind, as you can see, or if we can notice. Basically there is no pixelation of the text. As far as the clarity of the screen is concerned, let me just show you some other pictures which we have on the device to show you the overall camera quality. Let me just show you a video. Okay, this is a video which is there on the device, and this seems to be a high definition Dolby surround sound video. And as you can see, this is how the video playback looks like. The viewing angles of the device as far as the video playback is concerned is again quite good. And if we talk about the video clarity, the video playback basically, let me just show you the video playback again. If we go into the gallery and if we show you this video basically, so this is how the video looks like on this high definition screen. It is quite clear, quite crisp. There is no problem as far as the video playback is concerned. And then you have the option to go to full screen as well from here. This is a 16:9 aspect ratio video, and the viewing angles of the video on the device is again quite nice. I can see little amount of color fading, but it is again still quite okay for a device like this. So that's all from us right now regarding the quick hands-on review of Huawei Ascend P2. This is a pretty nice device, probably going to come in India very soon. We will keep you updated with the news. Thanks for watching this video. Do like us if you like this video, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.